I've been installing these since 2020 because they are the market leader. Basically, they're 4 times smaller and 3 times more efficient than any water tank out there. So for flats, for houses, you can free up space and save the environment as well. They love them. I mean, they gain huge amounts of extra space. They lose an airing cupboard in the fact it's not warm, which some people complain about, but they get so much more space. And everyone is overjoyed with the fact that they have environmentally friendly water. You can offset your electricity usage. So whereas a normal water tank, you'll need to heat it in the evenings, Thermino, you won't.
Absolutely.
You can heat it overnight, and it'll all be there. I've got a few stats. So a client changed a pulsar coil, and his electricity usage went down 1/3 for water heating. So yes.